Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. So these are the items I'm using. I'm going to lift the color of the red knot so that can look more realistic right there, more skin-like. I'm going to start with 20 volume. I was going to do 50, but I want to go slow, so I'm going to use 20 volume with some BW2. And I have my mixture right here. I'm going to apply it with a spoon. I already sprayed it down with the Got To Be spray. So let's go. Now I'm grabbing for my gloves, because this stuff burns, guys. And hairdressers already have trying looking hands, if you know what I mean. So protect those hands. So this is a 13 by 6 in the middle, guys. So I'm gonna mix a good amount, and whatever I have left over, I have something else that I'm working on that I can use it for. Now I'm really too pasty because we do not want this to seep through the lace at all. It's a rainy day, guys, so enjoy the sounds outside. Hopefully I won't have to add any music to this video, because I'm really tired of adding music and stuff in my edits. I need to talk more. So this is really good. I'm not going to add anything else to it yet. It's really powdery still, but try to mix it as much as you can until you see that, okay, you need a little bit more. And maybe sometimes you could wear a mask with this too, guys. See how I mixed it all and it got pasty without adding more product? But the thing is, this doesn't look like enough product. So I'm gonna have to double this up. And of course, I got my BW2. I got it from my neighborhood beauty supply, but you can order it off of Amazon. I'm hoping to add my Amazon storefront. Everything is so new to me, so I'm getting used to it. So you guys just bear with me. All right, so here we go again. That's definitely enough. Now that's what we're looking for. And it's definitely enough product. Okay. Let's get started. Now I already sprayed it down with Got To Be. I'm just going to start applying it with a spoon, as you guys all probably know by now. Because if you're not new to my channel and you're a handler, you know that I like using a spoon. But if you're not new to my channel and it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channels, as you can see, probably, I love to deal with a lot of wigs and weaves, but I do unboxings, tutorials, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, you're also in the right place. So hit that subscribe button and join the squad. Now let's start applying this. And I like to start in the middle, right here. So I already added the Got To Be spray. Let me show you guys in case you don't know what that is. I already sprayed it down with the Got To Be spray to protect, oh, not the inside, the outside. Because the inside is what we want to lift the color. So let's go. And the spoon just glides it on in the rounder areas, and you don't have to worry about your brush, the bristles of the brush going down into the knots. Okay, guys. So we got it all in the front. And you got to make sure that the front is nicely, everything is touched as far as the edge is concerned. I have this much left, but I have a wig that I'm actually coloring, so that is also fine. I also have another wig that I wouldn't mind lifting the knots on it a little more, so I'm going to do that with the rest of this. All right, guys, I'll be back. So guys, this is what we have. I don't know if you guys can see the transformation, but what I want gone is the actual line of this. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get rid of. This is what it's looking like on the inside, so you guys can see it's not bleeding through at all. So we're doing good. And she's fully covered inside. And I'll be back. So I feel comfortable with the line not being exact, guys, so I'm gonna wash it out now. Okay guys, I just washed and deep conditioned her. So if you guys look closely, you guys can see that the knots are not that defined as they were in the beginning. It's very light, and once I cut along there, it will look a lot more natural. But that's the result. And it's way more lighter. So we're gonna dry this because honestly when it dries the color changes. But as you guys can see, the color was a success. But I'm gonna dry this and come back and show you guys what it looks like. So there it is, a little bit dry, you guys. It looks even more natural at the edges. You can't see that definite line that was there before, right? So I'm gonna cut out these in the middle. This wig is from at Nico Beauty here. This is where my beautiful client got it from. Oh, all the instructions are on the back of the box for care, but I would just care for it as if it was natural hair, or you know, just don't do too much heat and it should be okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut out the inside because it does come with 3 combs on the inside. So I'll just leave the one at the bottom and give her the option if she wants it or not. But these 3 are definitely uncomfortable, so they must go. Wash, deep condition, taken care of, and the install will be in a couple of days. Hopefully I can get it recorded so I can show you guys. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you at install. Mwah!